Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upgrade the RAM for HP ELITEBOOK 840 G5/G6 and also show you where to locate the Cmos battery. So let's begin. Turn the laptop on the other side. Now you need to undo all these screws. Use a screwdriver like this, and now just start beginning where my finger is pointing. Don't forget these two little screws here inside. This one too, and that one and that one. Right, once that's done, you need to put your finger here. You need to unclip it, just pull it up. It will take some time, but it will release. You may need to get like a spudger, like a tool, to put something in between if it becomes too stiff. But hopefully you wouldn't need to. So once that's removed, guys, you can see the RAM instantly. So we're going to upgrade it now. Stick another HEB in there. So you turn it this side and then you just put it in and you push it down and it will click into place. Right guys, now I'm going to show you where the Cmos battery is. It's here. This is the Cmos battery. You just pull it out from this connector. I'm not going to pull it out. I'm just going to show you guys where to locate the Cmos battery. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.